Welcome to Micron America, your trusted leader in fastener solutions and machinery. In this video, we will be introducing the MICRON MH-5 hydraulic one-shot machine and demonstrating how to install grommets. The MICRON MH-5 is a heavy-duty hydraulic one-shot machine designed for high-volume grommet applications. It punches the hole and securely attaches the grommet in a single operation, reducing production time by up to 90% compared to manual systems, and its interchangeable die system allows operators to switch between different grommet sizes and styles. The digital control panel provides precise stroke adjustment and keeps track of the number of applications completed. For safer and more efficient operation, the machine includes foot pedal and button activation and a clear protective hand safety bar. Designed for continuous industrial production, the MH-5 operates on 220-volt power and delivers consistent, accurate, and durable results. Each machine is delivered with the cutting and pressure settings pre-adjusted according to the product and material specified by the customer. Additional adjustments should only be made when changing the material, grommet size, or die set. To begin the application, turn on the machine and the air supply. Place one grommet on the upper die as shown and place one washer on the lower die with the concave side facing up. Then place your material in between and press on the button or foot pedal. You can also adjust the spacing between grommets for consistent and precise placement. The spacer can be customized to suit your specific needs. For any inquiries or general questions, please contact us at info@micronamerica.com or call us at 973-278-4100. You can also visit our website at micronamerica.com and our socials at Micron America Co for more information. Micron America. Quality is our priority.